Hello everyone. I welcome you to the fifth lecture of Advanced Networking and Communication Protocols. That is mainly dependent on the IP networks and how do we guarantee the quality of service in the IP networks. So, in lecture 4, we have seen about the queue management and the explicit congestion notification that is mainly used to elevate the congestion before the congestion actually happens in the network. But now we are going to see that how there are two different set of services that are present that forms the performance guarantees on an IP network beyond the best effort service. Okay, so for that same, what are the quality of service problems? So we'll start with the QoS problems that we face in IP networks, and basically what is the client perspective and the application perspective in these cases. And then we are going to see that how the different data packets are treated differently and the formation of the traffic classes. Okay, so in traffic classes, we are going to see about how packets are marked, what are the policy present there, and then we are going to see about resource utilization and call admission. Now, related to this quality of service, we know that for a matter of fact, to shape the traffic, we have two algorithms, that is leaky and token butted algorithm. So this will be a revisit to these algorithms that we have studied, and we are going to see it at two perspectives. One is the sigma p model, sigma rho model. That is the sigma rho model where sigma denotes the maximum burst size and rho denotes the average rate of data traffic, and the admission control model, that how admission control is going to happen. And then we are going to look at two major different altogether contrasting architectures. One of them is the integrated services or the end serve environment, and one of them is the differentiated services or the diff serve environment. Okay, so one can say that this end serve environment is first applicable is depending on the applications and how the applications are going to change the policies on the network. And in this mainly we have the resource reservation policies, and it is based on per element control. So we are going to see what is the meaning of per element control. And in differentiated services or the diff serve model, actually we are going to see at the per hop behavior. Okay, and here we are going to see about classification, conditioning and marking of packets, and it is fine tuning the network according to the application. Okay, so both of them are contrasting approaches. In surface, fine tuning the applications on the net based on the network configuration, and diff surface fine tuning the network based on the application requirements. Okay, so I welcome you all to this lecture and happy learning.